So if you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell icon so you're notified of any future videos that I might. Assalamu alaikum everyone, Ramadan Mubarak. Yes, Alhamdulillah. I'm back with a new video. Today's video is featuring another Islamic DIY, the 99 beautiful names of Allah. This is a recycle project. We're going to be using egg cartons to make this Islamic art project. So let's get started. If you're getting eggs, you can also ask these from shops. They usually have these egg containers, egg cartons. Okay. So what you're gonna do is collect these till you have enough for the 99 names. I spray painted mine black. You can leave them the original color because they look really pretty. I use a spray paint because it gets it done quickly. Just take your spray can and both sides, and it will look something like this. I spray painted it on both sides. You don't need the back to be as well done as the front part. Now you can decorate these crates where the eggs go any way you like. I am gonna use flowers made of ribbons. It looks like this, and they usually go on dresses, but I'm gonna use this as a craft item. Wherever you see the crate, stick it in like this. Okay, put all the flowers in the crates. These are fabric flowers for any DIY projects. They come attached and in a row, and I trimmed and separated them for this project. You can find these in arts and craft shops, shops which sell cloth, lace, and decorative items for clothes, and you can find it in shops which make sofas and curtains. Now the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will actually go on these. Okay. So I've taken a hard styrofoam board and I have glued these on top. Now I've taken a small circle that will go in between the flowers. You can either print them, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, or write it by hand. The pen is mightier than the printer. Inshallah, there's more reward for you. There's more sawab if you write it by hand. Writing by hand is very beneficial as it leads to increased memory, uses more brain power, improves spelling, keeps the mind sharp. Writing with a pencil, pen, marker on paper builds visual processing skills. Handwriting helps to capture the richness of the language that you are writing. In this case, it's Arabic. And writing by hand is very calming and very therapeutic. You can either glue or use Velcro. Okay, so I finished writing all the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and I've stuck these with Velcro so I can change the writing and I can change the colors anytime I want. This can be displayed in classrooms, at home, in rooms, and you can always change the color combinations. You can decorate it any way you want. I used leaves. This is a great craft project for any age group to do and can help them with learning and reciting the 99 beautiful names of Allah. I wanted to share a really gorgeous upcycled craft with you using everyday materials from around the house. Egg cartons come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, so it lends itself to create really beautiful Islamic Ramadan craft projects. You'll need a few other craft supplies to complete this project, all simple to find and so much fun to make, and the activity is suitable for a wide variety of ages. So everyone, if you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell icon so you're notified of any future videos that I might post. Leave a constructive comment and share this video. I'll really appreciate it. As always, thank you so much for your support and encouragement. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.